Welcome to Whispers. Irony of life in Nigeria. An ordinary thief and a political thief. The rich man marries and has 4 children. A poor man marries and starts mass production of children that he cannot afford to train because the only thing that gives poor man joy is the body of his wife. The country has beaten him to the level that is his only idea of enjoyment. Politicians steal your money. He sleeps with your wife and girlfriend and daughter and make sure you don't go to school. Even when you struggle to, he makes sure you don't finish on time, let alone getting a good job. He sends his children to the best schools abroad so they will take over from him when he's done playing with your future. He initiates a poverty alleviation program, videos himself cutting tapes during the mounting of an electric pole. He gives you 4,000 bags of rice at rallies and arms to fight his opponents. He paints the roads and puts street lights when there is no light in your home. You hail him. He spends millions on billboards of his fake projects, hires the best PR experts to keep you drooling with hunger and uninformed, and keep on doing damages to your common sense. You defend him. Second tenure, no jobs, no food. The 4,000 has finished, and the bag of rice wasting in the pit of your toilet. He must recover the billions he spent buying your boat. 4. He is not qualified to lead, but you qualified him. You start making use of the guns he bought for you. You kill the poor like yourself, who is suffering the effects of the 4,000 and bag of rice that you took. You try to kidnap his friends. Their police orderlies fires back at you. His friends tell him that there is insecurity in town and it will affect their mobilization for him for the second time. He shouts, the second term is like the second round of that puts one to sleep after. That is the second round of that puts one to sleep after, except perhaps he works for Vivid Entertainment or one of those Hollywood industries. He complains of lack of security to the Commissioner of Police and General Officer Commanding, Air Officer Commanding, or Flag Officer Commanding. He spends millions hosting them. They tell him what to do. By now, you have become a threat. He buys even a bigger gun for the police and the military, plus operational vehicles. He pays for radio and TV jungles to warn you. You rob, you die. You protest, you die. You stay at home, you die of starvation. Then you get recommended to a church, and since you can't pay tithes, the pastor turns you into an errand boy. He sends you to buy biscuits for his children, wash pants for his wife, and clean his cars. You sweep the church for free while awaiting your heavenly reward, while the pastor flies private jets, drive flashy cars. You are happy that your pastor is rich and argue for him in midst of your friends. He runs to the UK at the slightest symptoms of a headache, but prays for you when you're sick and tells you to bring your sick mother to church for prayers instead of taking her to the hospital to waste money. She dies and he tells you that it was God's will, while his mother has been in the UK for months receiving best treatment that tithes can buy. He buys a new land for a new church branch. You help to carry blocks and turn concrete, then collect blessings as a reward. You are happy to be working for the salvation of your soul. Heaven will pay. The pastor lives his heaven on earth. The new church building is completed on your sweat. He invites the president, governor, senator, House of Representative members, and every other person who made sure that you are poor by design. The whole area is policed with gun and armor cars. You are comfortably seated at the back while straining your neck to see who came. The president and the governor and the senator plus their contractor friends donate hundreds of millions for the new church while you cheer from the back. The food they shared didn't get to you, but you are happy the president and governor and senator came to your church. You even brag to others about how your pastor is well connected. You get home, hunger knocks angrily on the belly door. Your neighbor bails you out while you wait for heaven to pay. 10 years on the jobless job. Pastor's children have been sent abroad for studies. Age is no longer on your side. Pastor hooks you up with another auntie that sweeps the church for free, with no education just like you, and waits you both on Friday evening church service. And you are happy. Your children start the circle all over again. What is the difference between an ordinary thief and a political thief? The ordinary thief steals your money, bag, watch, gold chain, etc. But the political thief steals your future, career, education, health, and business. The hilarious part is the ordinary thief will choose whom to rob, but you, yourself, choose the political thief to rob you. The most ironic one, police will chase and nab the ordinary thief, while the police will look after and protect the political thief. That is the transversicum irony of our current society, and we blindly say we are not blind. It may not make sense to many, but just read and be wise. It's election period around the corner. That is the truth. You don't see the way the political thieves have run the country aground. Maybe they are using the police and they're using the terrorists now to run us aground. Can you imagine? It is an irony. It is an irony of life in Nigeria. An ordinary thief and a political thief. Here you have it, guys. The word they say is enough for the wise. Till I come your way again.